Welcome back and thank you for staying with News Center. Now let's head to Kisumu, where a group of youth in Kisumu is running a Justice for Lake Victoria campaign. I believe they have a cleanup exercise. Let's just cross over and listen into what they have to say.
Taking place. My name is Jovian Zuena or Jovian Linda, and we are here today to have conversations around how we can safeguard our Lake Victoria. Justice for Iyanza, justice for Mama Lake Victoria. Conversations today are going to look at what are the other sustainability impacts that we can have on training the fisher folks, on maintaining the lake, and also giving the fish some time to breed. As you realize, the lake right now is not conducive for the fish, and it's also not conducive for the fishermen. So we are here to have discussions, see how best we can actually solve this matter as a people who are living by the lake. Everyone comes to Kisumu. The first thing they want to do is go to Lake Victoria. They want to see Mama Lake Victoria. And right now, Naam yuak, Naam okun, kendo Naam osin. So welcome everybody.
My name is Laura Jean Louis from Tembea Kisumu, which is a destination marketing organization. We've focused on Kisumu and the rest of Kenya, but with focus on Kandalaziwa by the Naam Festival, we are here to see how to create linkages between the borders and ensure the conversation is going. Kisumu is hot, Kisumu is on fire, the lake is crying. We can feel it. What are we doing about it? How are we going to handle it? That is why Kandalaziwa is here, and that is what we are going to discuss today and tomorrow. So Kisumu people, come, let's talk about this. It is serious.
My name is Professor Fred Amimo from Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology. We want to carry on this conversation about the viability of utilizing the lake water in drier places around us, beyond the lake basin. This basin gives most of the water that goes into the lake, about 80%, and we think that it can be used consumptively and recycled back into the lake. And I think that the bill that will go into realization of using this water elsewhere is a viable one. And we're about the blue economy, and we can maximize utilization of these waters, which is from our region and around the escarpment, the Mao escarpment and its environs. And I think this is part of what the big discussion will be at this event. Thank you.